Hey, we're recording this for the 4th of July, so how to find independence in deep water, the 5 essential skills that you need. Let's dive in. The first one is you need mindfulness. Yes, this is not yoga class or meditation class, but you need to have a body-mind connection in order to be free and independent in the deep water. If your focus and attention is out where the wall and where the bottom is, or where the boat or the shore, all these places, you are not connected. Your body and mind are not connected in the present time and the present space. You have to be in the present time and space. You cannot be in the future or in the past in order to control your body right now. If you want to feel free and independent in the deep water, all of you has to be connected and together and present in the deep water. Number 2, air has to be easy. Always. So if you're thinking in order to be independent in the deep water, I have to know how to tread and I have to know how to do side breathing with front crawl or maybe fancy butterfly stroke, those can come later, but you're only able to learn those when they sit on top of an easier way to get air. Your first time in the deep water, second, fifth, 20th time in the deep water, you always have to make sure there is a super easy, reliable way to get air all the time, because you're not going to be able to do number 1 of this mindfulness if your brain is bopping around wondering, are you going to die because you can't get air? Air always has to be easy. This is a life jacket. This is holding onto the side. This is making sure you don't drift away from the side or the back of a boat or whatever it is. Even when I go out and I do distance swimming in the middle of the lake or the ocean, I carry a flotation device with me. 99.9% of the time, I don't use it, but I got it. Make sure air is always easy. Number 3, you need to understand how your body, your perfect body that's different than other people's bodies, and the water, which turns out the water works the same forever. It doesn't change, but our bodies change. We need to know how your perfect, beautiful body and the water work together. It's understanding what your body is like. Now, why do I emphasize your body? Because so typically we see with beginning adult students, with anybody trying to learn something, our typical thing to do is to copy somebody else. This works to a certain extent. You can get some ideas from other people's bodies. You can use it for inspiration and to see, oh, interesting, how it works for that body. But you don't have that body. You don't have that set of experiences. You don't have that mentality. You're not them. You're you. Thank goodness. But we need to find out how it functions and works in your body. We have to stop copying others. And point number 4 of how you have independence and freedom in deep water is to have curiosity and fun right now. Not when you have mastered some skills or you become perfect or you become whatever, some Olympic star or something. No, you have to know how to have curiosity and fun right now. This is the tool to freedom in the deep water. It's the tool to freedom in yourself. We don't go when we hold fun at like a threatening place. You have to meet some sort of bar before you can have fun. It makes it very difficult to get there. Even if you get to that bar, you get to that level, you get to that achievement step, you won't know how to have fun there. We have to bring curiosity, because this is what helps us with that earlier one, how to understand your body in the water. We need to have curiosity and playfulness and fun all the way on the road to that freedom and independence in deep water. And here's the 5th one. The 5th, probably the most important one of all of them, is we need to know what to do with panic. Panic is the number 1 reason that people are unsafe in deep water. Even better than knowing what to do with panic is to be able to recognize the earliest signals that you're starting to go that way and know how to put the brake on and bring yourself back into this calm, cool, collected place where you have curiosity and fun. When we get too high on the spectrum of feelings, either way, positive or negative, where we're starting to lose control of our bodies, this is where danger sets in. There is no freedom and independence when you're just sort of buzzing out and everything just, you're being reactive to it. Knowing how to come back, knowing how to start from that calm, cool, and collected, and recognizing the early signals, this is the key to getting that freedom and independence in the deep water that all adults want to have, to be able to jump off the back of that boat in Hawaii, to be able to have fun with the grandkids, to not miss out on those vacations. It's learning these steps, practicing them over and over again with discovery and joy and ease. Can't wait to see you online or in the water. Aloha.